Welcome to Make India Limited, a company dedicated to help clean India drive. All of us are aware that the conventional septic tank is responsible for sewage water that causes unhealthy living conditions, and most of the health problems. As you can see here, conventional septic tank water percolates into Mother Earth, causing pollution to the groundwater. We are using only that polluted groundwater for drinking and domestic use. This causes skin rashes and deadly diseases like typhoid, cholera, diarrhea, viral gastroenteritis, hepatitis, etc. Conventional septic tank need frequent evacuation, incurring additional expense. It causes discomfort and serious health issues to the cleaning people also. When disposed, it is also polluting the Mother Earth at different locations. Is there any solution? Yes. Make DRDO biodigester septic tank, when used along with patented inoculum for digesting the human waste. Anaerobic bacteria is the solution. A one-time and lifetime solution. Also, it costs less than conventional septic tank. What you see here is the complete process of biodigester septic tank. Let me take you step by step of its process. Bioseptic tank design is totally enclosed. It creates anaerobic condition inside. The inoculum is filled in bioseptic tank at the time of installation itself. The bacteria disintegrate people matter and multiply, producing methane gas, CO2 and water. The heaviest of the air, CO2, creates the anaerobic conditions staying inside the tank. The lightest methane escapes through the vent. Clean water comes out. This water is good for gardening. Mother Earth is cursing us. Our pollution hurts other living beings as well.